Okay, we're coming back from our snorkel trip on the Captain Morgan. These are all the tours that they have. So two friends from New York City. Taking a movie, Jimmy. We just got off our St. Martin. We're in St. Martin right now, and we just got off the snorkel trip. We got a live band here at the back of the boat, up on the 14th floor. There's the other side of the island. Way you can see the other water on the other side of the island. This is like a video. Wave. Go like this. Okay. Okay.